guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Evan from the Swing Trade Pros team here. Are you guys having trouble entering and exiting trades? Do you guys find yourself always losing money while trading? Well, in this short video, I'm going to show you guys how to identify one of the most probable triangles to trade, which is called the ascending triangle. Now, the ascending triangle is just that. It looks like an ascending triangle, which is a top line with an upsloping trend line, okay? And every time we get a nice bounce off the bottom trend line, that's another confirmation. What we're waiting for is the break of the horizontal line. Now, I go deep into this in my video here, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. So in this video, I already explained we're going to be doing an ascending triangle and how to trade that type of breakout. So for this example, I'm going to use data BTC. Okay, as you guys can see, this thing had a monster spike the other day, which in my opinion just means there's just more bullish momentum to come. Okay, so what we're going to do here is I'm going to get rid of all these other indicators here just so it's pretty clear on my screen for you guys. I'm going to leave the 20 EMA on because that's a pretty important indicator to have on. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start from the bottom of our trend here and we're going to draw a trend line, right? And as you guys can see, it's just kind of uptrending, right? And we can draw our top basically where our previous top was, which was right here. And currently, as you guys can see, this asset is actually about to break out of this triangle. And this is kind of what I wanted to show to you guys, is that trading these types of triangles is very easy and very predictable, right? So if we take our measuring tool here, you can kind of get an idea of where this thing's next move is going, right? So if you go to the bottom of the triangle, to the top where the original resistance was, which is 154% measured move. This is on a daily time scale, guys, okay? This asset's not gonna make 154% measured move in one day. This could take several days. This could take several weeks. This could take a month, okay? I don't know the exact amount of time, but I do know that the measured move of this pattern, look, it started this pattern November 23rd, and it's been a week, and it's done about, it's done a pretty decent amount of gaining, right? Since November 23rd. Now, obviously, I didn't call this one out. However, I did actually just enter this one at around 343 Satoshis because I think that we're going to get a confirmed breakout on the daily time scale here. All right, and so 154% measured move is no joke, guys. This is definitely going to be a big move, okay? Now, it may not break out today, but I think there's a high likely chance that it breaks out today, which is why I kind of entered it today, because I think that we've already tried testing it here once and failed. We've kind of back tested the trend line here and held it up, and now we're trying to push through again. And if you look, the candle bodies on the daily are neck and neck. Actually, we are a little bit above the candle body. So technically on the daily time scale, this is a confirmed breakout. Okay, now what I'd like to do is look at our oscillators and kind of confirm that, right? So we're actually at the bottom part of our negative momentum here, which is an optimal buying, right? Because towards the end of negative momentum, we're going to get that weaning momentum that comes off and goes back up to make positive momentum, which would dictate a huge move to the upside, which would mean that we will get this breakout. If we go to like shorter time scales here, like we go to a 4-hour chart, we can already see we just started creating that positive momentum, right? And the volume is just coming in, right? We're sitting around the 55 on the RSI, and we're trending upwards. Stochastic RSI just crossed up. So to me, this is probably a confirmed breakout, okay, guys? And I hope this is helpful. Obviously, on the shorter time scale here, we had a bigger move, but that's why I like to use the daily, because this is just like craziness happening, FOMO buying here. So I drew this triangle from here because this to me just looks like where the trend will continue, okay? And on the daily time scale, I already kind of went over it. We are about to break out of it, and in fact, we are breaking out of it right now. So make sure you guys hit that like, okay? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and hit that bell if you guys like what I'm doing here. I do have I do coaching sessions Thursday evenings at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and on Sundays 1 p.m. Eastern Time, or 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time for our European clients. If you guys can't make the Thursday evenings, right? Because that's kind of late for you guys. And make sure you guys check that out if you haven't done so already. I also do have a paid alert service for our current STP clients. You guys know where to find me. For all you newcomers, just you can DM any of the STP team members. I'm Mr. Know-It-All in the chat, so make sure you guys hit me up, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.